Hello and welcome to another topic for SAT Maths. Today I'm going to do algebraically solving systems of linear equations into variables. This is basically the same as the ones that we've done before. It says all algebraically, but you have the option of doing this on your calculator. So I'm going to start solving. These are easy questions. 3, 2, and 8, 2, minus 1, and 3. If you were solving these algebraically, you would either do substitution or elimination. I'm getting 2 and 1 out of this. So that is the correct answer. All of these are the same, then you can rehearse. It's not necessary to do them manually, and you can just do them on a calculator on the exam as well because your solution is not marked, your answer is marked. So as long as you get that correct, that should be fine. Yep, that is the correct answer. It's another one. I don't know why this appears as a separate topic, but okay. Then 2 minus 3 and 7. 1, 4, and 10. I'm more interested in the medium and hard questions on this one because it's going to test me a little bit. Okay, so 2, 3, 8, 4, minus 1, and 7. What is the value of y? So 9 over 7. Okay, let's do the still pretty much the same. Let's see if we get more complicated answers from here. Okay, infinite solutions. A calculator can also tell you that, so that's easy. We will talk more about infinite solutions as we go on. Eighteen over 7. Okay. 2, 3, 7, 4, 6, 14. Infinite solutions again. Okay. 3, 3 minus 2, 10, and 2, 5, and minus 7. Okay. 36 over 19 and minus 41 over 19. Okay, so that was simple, nothing more, nothing complicated about that. You can do all of these questions on your calculator. It's asking you what is the value of 3x plus 4y now. Okay, so you go on and solve like that, and then you take your answers and you calculate 3x plus 4y. So 3 times 25 over 7 plus 4 times 9 over 7. Okay, I can again do that on my calculator. I can also do that manually. 75 over 7 plus 36 over 7, 75 plus 36 gives me 111 over 7. I think that should be the end of easy questions. I will see you in the next video with medium questions. Thank you for watching.